All right, everybody, you can follow me on Into the Habitat.
We can just run away.
Welcome to our Dolphin Splash and Play program. My name's Dylan, but I'm gonna introduce you to our girl, Lily. Today for our program, we're gonna get a chance to touch her, feed her, and spend some time with her the same way we do as trainers, and learn a little bit about her species, the bottlenose dolphin.
Oh my gosh.
So while we're hanging out with Lily today, we're gonna get a chance to ask for a lot of the different behaviors that she knows. Everything from the healthcare behaviors that allow us to take care of her, to a couple of those high energy exercise behaviors that dolphins are so well known for. What I love about the Splash and Play program is that it gives us an opportunity to step into that animal's world. You can have an up-close and personal interaction with that animal where you really get a chance to learn who they are as an individual.
All right, I think you guys won.